from Urban Automotive in Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here with a customer of mine, Mr. Brad Goss. I have a little story to tell about Mr. Goss's 2017 Mercedes-Benz. Brought it to us to have some snow tires installed. While we had it up on the rack, we brought him out to actually show him the condition of his summer tires that are on the vehicle. Keep in mind the vehicle had a grand total of 19,000 kilometers on it at this point in time, with just over a year's worth of service. The inner driver's side tire had scrubbed completely through to the point where the cords were showing on the inside tire. Looking at it from the outside, and using layman's terms, everything looked fine. The tire looked great. It would only be if you turn the tire completely out that you would then see the white cords coming through the tire, or of course if you had it on a hoist and were underneath the car looking. So we brought him out and advised him this would likely be a warranty issue with our friends at Mercedes, and I will let Brad take it from here.
So I'm used to dealing with luxury car dealerships, and normally they don't warranty anything. They just tell you got to pay for it. And in the back of my head, when Mike and Drew showed me this wear on the tire, I thought to myself, I guess I got to buy new tires. And so I contacted Mercedes. I brought the car in, and they called me and they said, well, you must have hit a pothole and it's on you, and you're gonna have to buy two new front tires and have us align them. So about $1,500. So I sent Mike a copy of the text, and Gord and Mike both called me and said, no way are you going to take this. You need to call them back.
Keep in mind, folks, that this is an AMG. This car is designed to go on the Autobahn at very high speeds and take quite a bit of road rash, including the odd pothole. I know where this gentleman lives. I know his driving style. He's not driving to Montreal. Obviously, if we put under 20,000 kilometers on in a year on his expensive vehicle, he's not taking potholes doing 130 or 140 kilometers an hour. So there's no way that this vehicle was thrown out of alignment because of a pothole that would cause this kind of wear and damage to the tires.
So I was still ready to accept my lot in life and pay Mercedes the $1,500 that they were going to ask me for. And Gord called me from the front desk here and said, you know, Brad, look, I was a service manager at GM. These guys need to make a policy adjustment. He gave me the exact language to use with Mercedes when asking them to cover it. And so I sent a text. It was all done through text message with Mercedes-Benz Brampton. I sent through the text using the exact words Gord told me to use.
Policy adjustment.
Policy adjustment was the term. I said, so nobody's going to be willing to make a policy adjustment. You're not going to cover this. Mercedes isn't going to cover this, and Pirelli's not going to cover this. And it took 2 hours for them to respond, and then they finally responded and said, we got Mercedes to cover. They're buying you 2 new front tires. These are $500 each tires, and we're aligning it for no charge. So
as they should. They did the right thing. Bottom line, that would be the right thing to do, and they did the right thing. So kudos to them.
But without you, I would have paid for them to do the right thing. Without Gord calling me and saying, look, this is what you need to say, don't accept this, this is unacceptable, I would have accepted it. And so thank you for that, because you saved me $1,500, all because I came to you for my snow tires instead of going to them. If I went to them for my snow tires, I would have paid double for the snow tires, and I would have had to pay for new summer tires. So thank you.
Urban Automotive, thank you very much, Brad. We appreciate it. And thank you for taking the time to do this YouTube video for us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.